Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure sales strategies with Kajabi, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure sales strategies with Kajabi, begin by logging into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the products section on the dashboard. Select the product you want to focus on for sales strategy. Click on sales pages to create a new sales page or edit an existing one. Use Kajabi's templates to choose a layout that aligns with your branding. Customize the text to highlight the benefits and features of your product. Incorporate engaging images and videos to capture your audience's attention. Add testimonials or case studies to build trust and credibility. Once your sales page is designed, navigate to the Offers section. Create a new offer by clicking the New Offer button. Fill out the offer details, including the price and payment terms. Set up upsells or downsells if applicable to maximize your sales potential. Configure the checkout settings to streamline the purchasing process. Make sure to enable email notifications to keep customers informed. After setting up the offer, go to Marketing in the main menu. Create an email campaign to promote your offers. Segment your audience for targeted marketing and personalized emails. Schedule your emails strategically to maximize open rates and conversions. Utilize Kajabi's automation features to follow up with potential leads. Monitor your sales performance through the Analytics section. Adjust your strategies based on data insights and customer feedback. Continuously optimize your sales funnel for better results. Finally, keep testing different approaches to see what resonates best with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.